I prepared another sheet for the wireless contest. It's from STMicroelectronics. It's called the STM32 Wireless Innovation Contest, and as the name says, it's built around STM32s in the form of three quite powerful boards. You can see it in detail here with small pictures. I have another sheet where you can see one of the boards. Yeah, that's actually a very interesting board. That's a WBA, and you can see there's a kind of breakout board plugged on another breakout board, and this other mother breakout board has Morpho connectors, has Arduino connectors, so you really can do a lot. And yeah, the main processor is connected to a BLE, or has a peripheral for BLE. And yeah, you can really make exciting projects with that. If you want to know more, there's a special link to that contest. You can apply for one of the boards, then you get it for free, or if you have it already on your table, you can participate. You can see the link down there. That's elektormagazine.com/st-contest. Yeah, and you have enough time still. The submission deadline is February the 9th.